Hello out there everyone and all my subscribers and anybody else that might watch the video. Hi, I'm Radio Nut R and I just got a box in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what it is. If I can get it open. Oh boy, packing peanuts, don't you just love them? I'm going to adjust this a little bit. There we go. Try to get it out of the box without making too much of a mess. And there it is. Allied Radio Shack AX190. Look how beautiful. This is just the unboxing. I'll make some good videos of it later on. This matches my SX, which is the shortwave radio I got, sister radio. So, just a little unboxing video. I'll make some more videos of it working later on. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Oh, close up. There we go. Keep tuned to the channel, more videos to come.